What inspired you to become a wildlife photographer?
Wildlife has chosen me. I was in safari and I was completely mesmerized. In other field of photography, you can, आप subject को pose करवा सकते हो. Animal आएगा कि नहीं पहले उसकी surety नहीं है. It's entirely luck or game of patience. Behind every frame goes lots of effort.
You have been on many safaris. Which one is your favorite?
India has its own magic. It's a blessing for wildlifers. There is not only a one thing, there are many things. Nature doesn't work on a fixed schedules. The uncertainty is what makes wildlife a beautiful experience. If you have in mind that tiger sighting is the thing which I want to do, then you may be missing the other 100+ things in the jungle.
Any advice or suggestions to our travelers?
बांधवगढ़ में हुआ था, बीज आ गई थी, तो आई थिंक अगर एक बार आप जंगल गए और अगर आपको जंगल से प्यार हो गया तो मुझे पूरा यकीन आप.
Hi, myself Payal Shah from Fantasy Holidays. Today we have a wildlife photographer and a dear friend Rakhi Garg with us to discuss about the safari destination. So Rakhi, can I start with the question directly?
Yeah, sure.
So Rakhi, what inspired you to become a wildlife photographer?
While I would say wildlife has chosen me, I have not chosen photography because what happened long time back, I was in Nepal or I was in safari and I saw Mama Bear was carrying her 2 babies and walking towards us. And that was the moment I was completely mesmerized. And that time I felt मुझे इसको कैमरे में कैप्चर करना था. And that's how I started wildlife photography.
So Rakhi, what makes wildlife photography so different than the other form of photography?
Wildlife photography is absolutely different than other forms of photography because see, in wildlife, you cannot change anything. Like in other field of photography, you can, आप subject को pose करवा सकते हो, आप lights change कर सकते हो. But in our field ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Animal आएगा कि नहीं पहले उसकी surety नहीं है. आ गया तो वो ज़रूरी नहीं आपको देखेगा, वो उल्टा बैठ गया, कितनी देर रुकेगा, किस direction में चलेगा, आप कुछ भी उसमें नहीं कर सकते. It's entirely luck और गेम ऑफ पेशेंस. बिहाइंड एवरी फ्रेम गोज लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट्स. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि हम सब्जेक्ट के साथ कुछ भी मूव नहीं कर सकते. तो अगर एक अच्छी फ्रेम मिलती है तो उसके पीछे बहुत सारा पेशेंस, आवर्स ऑफ वेटिंग एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ लक गोज लाइक दिस. सो
can you please explain what is the difference between wildlife holiday and a conventional holidays?
See, wildlife holidays and conventional holidays both are extremely different because in conventional holidays we every time look for activities, nightlife, right, sightseeing. And in wildlife you have to wake up early, you are going for safaris and listening the chirping of birds and looking for the fresh tracks and listening to alarm calls and maybe you are tracking pug marks also to find a tiger. So both are extremely different, we can't compare. And while coming from the safari, you get lot of experiences, good memories apart from photographs.
Definitely.
That's what I.
You have been on many safaris, both in India and abroad. So out of all of this, which one is your favorite and why?
See, India is blessed with different biodiversity and India has its own magic, but my favorite would be Masai Mara because in India sometimes you are only tracking one tiger, one leopard and all your safari. Sometimes we got all 6 safari dry also. But when you are in Mara, in one game drive, you are blessed to see lions, pride of lions, cheetah, live hunt, a herd of elephants and so much together. It feels like you are watching a live documentary. So definitely Mara is a blessing for wildlifers and my favorite would be Mara. But India has its own magic. Like I've been to Bandhavgarh, I've been to Corbett, I've been to Panna. All are amazing places, but Mara is Mara. You can't compare.
Today, many safari lodges and hotels offer luxury and comfort. Still, which is that one thing a traveler should not expect from the safari lodges or the hotel, even though it is a most premium thing?
I would say, and I always tell this to people, first of all, there is not only a one thing, there are many things. First is, you should not expect a guaranteed sighting. Because no matter whether you are in a luxurious hotel, you got the best room, best food, best guide, best driver, but nature doesn't work on a fixed schedules, right? The uncertainty is what makes wildlife a beautiful experience. I think that is the main thing which everyone should keep in mind, that sightings are not there. And if you have in mind that I only tiger sighting is the thing which I want to do, then you may be missing the other 100 plus things in the jungle. So better you just go with a thing that you want to experience the jungle and the beauty, and you just want to connect with the nature. Apart from guaranteed sighting, there are other things also, like doesn't matter whether you are in a luxurious or top property, but they have limited resources of food, so you won't get that luxurious breakfast or maybe 100 items in breakfast or a very good spread of buffet. So because they are in the middle of jungle and there are limitations for them also, and less Wi-Fi connectivity, less options of entertainment, so one has to keep this in mind while traveling to jungle lodges.
Why it is important to book a safari holidays with an experienced travel agent?
तो पाई मुझे लगता है एक एक्सपीरियंस ट्रैवल प्रोफेशनल आपका ये एक्सपीरियंस जो है बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी उसको हटा सकता है, अच्छे से प्लान कर सकता है, ताकि आप नेचर के साथ कनेक्ट कर सको, नेचर को एंजॉय कर सको, रादर देन मैनेजिंग द थिंग्स ऑन योर ओन.
So Rakhi, lastly, would you like to give any advice or suggestions to our travelers?
या आई वुड लाइक टू से जब आप जंगल जाते हो तो आप कोई चेकलिस्ट लेके मत जाओ. जस्ट गो कि आपको जंगल एंजॉय करना है, ये मत सोच के जाओ कि मुझे टाइगर देखना है. जंगल में बर्ड्स भी हैं, दूसरे एनिमल्स भी हैं, नेचर है, सनराइजेस हैं, सनसेट्स हैं, आप उन सबको एंजॉय करो. सिर्फ एक चीज़ माइंडसेट करके मत जाओ और लाउड क्लोथिंग मत डालो, बिकॉज मैंने अक्सर देखा है लोग बहुत ही लाउड कलर्स पहन के ट्रैवल करते हैं, परफ्यूम लगा के ट्रैवल करते हैं. और एक एक्सपीरियंस भी देखा कि बांधवगढ़ में हुआ था, बीज आ गई थी, तो जिन्होंने परफ्यूम लगाया था दे ऑल गेट अटैक्ड बाय द बीज एंड दे रश टू हॉस्पिटल. तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि लेट्स रिस्पेक्ट द नेचर एंड एंजॉय द नेचर. मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि हायर अ गुड कैमरा, बिकॉज phones are not allowed in all the parks. So lodges also giving on rent and you can also hire a good camera. I think अगर एक बार आप जंगल गए और अगर आपको जंगल से प्यार हो गया तो मुझे पूरा यकीन आप बार बार जंगल जाओगे.
Yes, because life begins from jungle. So Rakhi, thank you so much for joining me today and sharing your experiences. Really, I'm sure that people would love to see this reel and get to know about the wildlife destination more and more.
Yeah, thank you so much, Payal. Thanks for inviting me here. Our pleasure is all mine.
Thank you.